In the place, in your face, it's your boy. That boy can cook. You know what time it is. Today we're gonna make some delicious all beef barbecue meatballs. Sounds good, is good. Now let's get to it. Yeah. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Now let's get to it. Yeah. All right, first let's get our meatballs mixed up. Let's take out one egg. Let's just get that egg in there. We're gonna just, no particular order. We got our black pepper, half a teaspoon, garlic powder, half a teaspoon. There we go. Onion powder, half a teaspoon, same thing. Lawry seasoning salt, whole teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, let's say that. And we have a half of a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Yeah. Last but not least, got them panko, baby. Panko breadcrumbs. Just gonna get it all in there. Let's get it all mixed up. Until we are able to form our ball. Everything is together, mixed in, and the flavors is all mingling. So let's just continue to get everything combined. Make sure you flip your meat. Same thing. Just make sure it's all together. Get our meatballs made up. I got my trusty Dusty right here. Yeah. So make sure you get your sheet pan, parchment paper, something you can put your meatballs on where they won't stick. So we're just gonna take our 1 tablespoon, and we're gonna get a good healthy little size. We're just gonna shape it off of that tablespoon. Just smooth it out a little bit. Make sure it's all together. As such. I mean, if you don't care about them being uniform, pretty much the same size, then you can just pinch them off and make your own meatballs. You know, the example. Just take them. A little quicker, a little easier. So like I say, if you want them uniform, you're gonna use a tablespoon, just like this here. Get it out of there. Roll it. There it is. All right, family. There our meatballs is right there. So let's go ahead and get them in the oven. We got our oven that's already preheated to 350. We're gonna drop these things in there. These meatballs, I'm not gonna call them things. We're gonna drop these delicious meatballs in there for about 20 minutes. We're gonna come back, check them, make sure they A-okay, and we're gonna move on to this barbecue sauce. Yeah. All right, let's kick up our barbecue sauce a notch. We gotta kick it up. So I'm just using the regular old Kraft Original. You can use your favorite. You can use the kind that's already seasoned to your liking. But I like to get the original, and I like to add my own seasonings to it. Just spice it up for myself. Kick it up a notch for myself. So let's just get this in here. There it is. Yeah. Right, make sure you get all your sauce out your barbecue. So throw your little water in there, put your lid back on it, mix it up, and get everything out of there. Because we're gonna reduce it. We're gonna reduce it and let that flavor just get more intensified. There we go. See, we through with that. That going trash now. Yeah, let's get our brown sugar in now. Let's get our Worcestershire sauce in there. Last but not least, let's get our lemon pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder in there. Now, if you want to make it spicy, throw you about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes in there, and it'll give you that kick you want. So let's just get this mixed in. Get it set to low. And we just gonna let it reduce on down. Let's just make sure we get everything mixed together. Making sure that brown sugar is dissolved. There it is. So while we got our meatballs cooking, we got our barbecue sauce warming and reducing. There we go. We're gonna come back to it, y'all. We gonna come back to it. Yeah. All right, family, forgive me. I didn't communicate properly to y'all. We're gonna throw them in the oven for 20 minutes total. But after your first 10 minutes, you wanna come back and you just wanna flip each one of them so they'll be cooked all the way around. So let's just flip them. Let's get them all turned over. As such. There we go. So, like I say, let's just get them flipped over. And we're gonna finish them. Give it another 10 minutes. We're gonna come back, we're gonna sauce them up, and we're gonna be ready. All right, family. Meatballs where they need to be. Ooh, look at that. Meatballs where they need to be. Yeah. And let's get them sauced up. So let's just drop them in our dish. We're gonna throw them back in the oven just to let that sauce stick. Make sure it's all sticky. So we throw them back in the oven for about another 7 to 10 minutes. Let that sauce get good, sticky on it. And then that's gonna be it. That's gonna be all, I promise, family. So let's just get these all sauced up. Yeah. There we go. Let's get it all. Let's get it all. Alrighty. Let's just make sure, you know what we gotta do. Make sure everything is everything. And everything is doing what everything's supposed to be doing. Hey family, check us out. Check us out. Look at that. Ooh. Our beef, delicious barbecue meatballs. Yeah. Now let me plate it up. We'll be back. Taste test, and it's gonna be it. That's gonna be all. Yeah. Check it out. Look at that. Yeah. All right, family. That is it. That is all. We have a delicious barbecue meatball, y'all. Yeah. Like how that run? Yeah. I know. Let's check us out, though. Let's check us out, though. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Barbecue meatballs. And you know what time it is? Take our little toothpick. Stab us one of these barbecue beef meatballs and dig in. That's a good meatball. Yeah. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Please. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Also, check out your boy affiliate links. For any kitchen supplies I use in my videos, I'll put them in the links. That way, if you need them, you know where to find them. And if you make a purchase, I get a little small commission. That'll help the channel continue to grow, and we're gonna be all all that we can be. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till next time.